Use flathead screwdriver to remove the switches. Five screws to remove from the instrument panel. Four clips inside are holding this panel. Give pressure down to full corners to pull out the panel. Disconnect 5 plugs behind the panel. Compress these clips flatter for easy removal to avoid breaking the panel in the future. Use a long flathead screwdriver to push the clips up and remove the caps. Remove 2 screws. Remove 6 screws. Remove this panel by 5 screws. You will see the speedometer cable. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect it. Make sure you click in 100% when you install it. Remove full screws. Remove all the plugs behind. Gauge is out. Remove a screw behind. Two screws to remove. Eight screws to remove. Remove full screws. Push the cable out and lift up to remove. Disconnect these 2 plugs. Six screws to remove. Disconnect all the plugs behind. Remove the ashtray. Remove 3 screws. Remove 2 screws. Also remove these 2 bolts. Make sure there's no wire attached to the dashboard. Pull all the harnesses down. Don't forget the clock harness. Remove these 2 frames will makes it a lot easier for dashboard removal and installation. Like I said, it's a lot easier to remove or install without this frame. Dashboard is out. I used Duckley color vinyl and fabric paint flat black. I sprayed them all as well. You can see the color difference. So I also spray door panels. Looks good. Foil tape works very good for fixing the carpet cracks. You can see the color difference of before and after. Glue a new foot pad. Ready to install. All panels installed. Carpet installed. Rear panel also sprayed. First time doing suture and learning from YouTube. It is not perfect, but it works. Being a mechanic is never easy. Sprayed them as well. Looks brand new to me. Prelude.